Serving my country has been one of the most important things I have ever done. When I signed up as a young recruit, I knew I'd be asked to make a lot of sacrifices. But as a young person, you don't necessarily think about the sacrifices your family will be asked to make. And that is why the Downer Defence Australian Veterans Family Scholarship is so important.
I'm fourth generation defence. My dad did 25 years in the Army and I did 14. This meant when I was growing up, I went to a bunch of different schools. But when I joined up myself at 17, I just considered it part of my job. I didn't really consider the impact that so many school changes would have on my own kids' education. And with 5 overseas deployments and 4 family relocations, my wife really couldn't get much traction on a career. That kind of instability can really set a family back financially. And that's why the Downer Defence Australian Veterans Family Scholarship is so important to us all.
Downer Defence has a strong 80-year history with Defence and a very strong workforce comprised of Defence veterans and veteran spouses who continue to serve their country today in Defence Estate, delivering advisory and technical services and supporting major defence projects. That is why setting up these 3 scholarships in partnership with ADCAT to support children and grandchildren of veterans really matters to us.
To all of us at Downer.
Applications for Downer's 3 scholarships are open now and close on October 31st. So please go to downergroup.com/scholarships. Or please share this message with any veterans families that you may know who are looking to forge a new path for their family.